Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. And next we will do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. We'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. And then let's go down low, touch our toes. And back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And when we're there, we give a wave. And next, let's go back down, touch our toes. And then stand, hands on our hips. Let's have a wiggle. Stop. Another little wiggle. Stop. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. Stop. And we'll go round and round. Stop. And back the other way. And stop. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math recently?
Capacity.
Capacity is right. And how do we spell capacity? A-P-A-C-I-T-Y. And last lesson we did something with capacity, some type of problems. Word problems. How do we spell word? W-O-R-D. And problems? O-B-L-E-M-S. Excellent guys. So all together, capacity. Word problems. So let's do a couple of capacity word problems. Let me see. I will write one on the board. I drink. Let me see. What do I drink? Orange juice. I drink how much? What volume of orange juice? 3 liters. Okay, I drink 3 liters of orange juice. How do we spell? O R-A-N-G-E. Juice. I-C-E. I drink 3 liters of orange juice every week. Okay? I drink 3 liters of orange juice every week. So, how much orange juice and you do I drink in 5 weeks? And what do we need for the question? Now, who would like to come? Oh, Prow's hand went right up. So who would like to come forward and answer our capacity word problem? Prow, what colour would you like to answer? Would you like blue or red? Blue. Blue, okay. So guys, let's ask the question one more time together. I drink 3 liters of orange juice every week. How much orange juice do I drink in 5 weeks? Excellent. So what do we need to do? Is it addition?
No.
Subtraction?
No.
What type of problem? Times, multiply. We need to take 3 liters times how many weeks? 5. 15 liters. Okay. So how much orange juice do I drink in 5 weeks?
15 liters.
We can say I drink 15 liters in 5 weeks. So Prao, I will ask you one time and you can answer. How much orange juice do I drink in 5 weeks?
I drink 15 liters of orange juice in 5 weeks.
You see? Excellent. High five, Prao. And round of applause. So now let's take a look at a capacity word problem. So first of all, we will write the capacity of a bottle is, somebody give me a capacity in milliliters. 500 milliliters, okay. So all together, guys, the capacity of a bottle is 500 milliliters. So, what is the total capacity of how many bottles shall we say? 5, okay. What is the total capacity of 5 bottles? B-O-T-T-L-E, and when we have more than one, plural S. Okay, so all together, The capacity of a bottle is 500 milliliters. Excellent. What is the total capacity of 5 bottles? Who would like to help me work out this capacity word problem? Any volunteers? Net, come and help me. Very good. So what do we need to do, guys? Is it addition? No. Is it subtraction?
Yes.
No. It's times, multiplication. What is the capacity of one bottle?
500 milliliters.
And how many bottles do we have?
5 bottles.
So we need to take 500 milliliters and times it by 5. Okay? So Net, over to you. Can you write, first of all, 500 milliliters? Excellent. And then multiply by how many? 5. Okay? So let's do together. 5 times 0. 0. 5 times 0 again. 0. And now 5 times 5. 25. So 2 and 5. Excellent. And we can have our comment. Excellent, Net. And what are we talking about? ml? Milliliters. So write ml here. Can you write ml again for me there? Excellent, Net. That's perfect. So how many milliliters do we have?
2,500 milliliters.
What is the total capacity of 5 bottles? 2,500 milliliters. Excellent, Net. High five. Round of applause for Net. That was very well worked out. But remember, how many milliliters in 1 liter?
1,000.
Okay, so if we have 2,500 milliliters, can somebody convert this into liters for me?
2 liters, 500 milliliters.
Exactly, we can say 2 liters, 500, 2 liters, 500. So what is the total capacity of 5 bottles? The total capacity of 5 bottles is 2,500 milliliters, or 2 liters, 500 milliliters. Excellent, guys. Round of applause. Well done. So that was a few board examples of how, firstly, to work out a math problem and then work out a capacity word problem. And now we're going to take a look at the PowerPoint presentation to look at more capacity word problems. So guys, turn your chairs to have a look at the TV screen. So let's take a look at today's PowerPoint presentation, capacity word problems 2. Okay, so first one. Mary used 300 liters of water
of water
last week.
last week.
This week,
This week
she used
she used
35 litres
35 liters
less than last week.
less than last week.
So what is the capacity
What is the capacity
of water
of water
that she used
that she used
this week?
this week?
What do we need to do, guys? What type of subtract? We need to take the large amount, 300 litres, and subtract 35 litres. So anybody have any ideas?
265 milliliter. A liter.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
265 litres.
Yes.
Let's take a look. Excellent, guys. You can see, how much did she use last week? 300 litres. And this week she used 35 litres less. So we get the amount by taking 300 litres and subtract 35 litres. So this week she used 265 litres this week. Excellent, guys. Next one. Bob drank 550
550
millilitres
milliliters
of tea
of tea
last week.
last week.
This week
This week
he drank
he drank
80 millilitres less
80 milliliters less
than last week.
than last week.
What is
What is
the capacity
the capacity
of tea
of tea
that Bob drank
and Bob drank
this week?
this week?
So what do we need to do?
Add
Oh,
minus
minus again. We need to take the first amount. How many millilitres? 550 millilitres. And subtract how much?
80.
80 millilitres. 550 minus 80.
470 milliliters.
470 millilitres. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
Let's take a look. Excellent, guys. You can see 550 millilitres minus 80 millilitres equals how many millilitres?
470 milliliters.
Millilitres. Bob drank 470 millilitres of tea this week. Excellent, well done. How about this one? Barn used 700 litres
700 liters
of coffee
of coffee
last week.
last week.
This week
This week
he used
he used
35 litres
35 liters
less
less
than last week.
than last week.
What was
What was
the capacity
the capacity
of coffee
of coffee
that he used
that he used
this week?
this week?
So again, what do we need to do?
Subtract
Subtract. What do we need to subtract?
700 subtract 35.
700 litres minus 35 litres. Any ideas? 665 litres. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
Let's take a look. Excellent, guys. You can see we take the first amount, how much? 700 litres, subtract 35 litres, and our answer 665 litres. He used 665 litres of coffee this week. Excellent. And the final one. Let's do one more together. Susan used 500 millilitres of gasoline last week. This week she used 55 millilitres less than last week. What is the capacity of gasoline that she used this week? So what do we think? What do we have to do? Yes. What do we subtract? We take 500 millilitres and subtract how much?
555.
Excellent.
445 milliliters.
How much?
445 milliliters.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure?
Yes.
Perfect. You can see, what's our first amount? How many millilitres? 500 millilitres. How much do we subtract? 55 millilitres. And what's our answer? 445 millilitres. So the answer, ready guys? She used 445 millilitres of gasoline this week. Excellent. Any questions?
No.
Well done, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed our PowerPoint presentation about capacity word problems and how we can work them out. But now it's time for our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we will begin by walking on the spot. Stop. Turn left. Turn left again. Turn left. Turn left. And now we should be back where we started. Walk on the spot. Stop. Turn right. Turn right again. Turn right. And turn right. And now we should be back where we started. Okay? Let's jog on the spot. Quickly. Slowly. And quickly. Stop. And let's go down into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Well done. So now we're going to do a board exercise to do some more capacity word problems. But this time we're going to do them together. So what shall we do first? What's our container going to be? Shall we use a glass, a bottle, or a bowl? Bowl. Okay. A bowl. Ready guys? A bowl has a capacity. P-A-C-I-T-Y. Okay, what's the capacity of our bowl? 3 liters. Okay, we'll go. A bowl has a capacity of 3. What do I need to write for liters? L. A bowl has a capacity of 3 liters. Okay. What is the capacity of how many bowls do we have? We have 5 bowls. Okay. What is the capacity of 5 B O W L? Is that right? When we have more than one, plural. And what do we need at the end of our question? Question mark. So altogether, a bowl has a capacity of 3 liters. What is the capacity of 5 bowls? Who would like to help me work out this problem? Black down. Come and join me at the front. First of all, important, what colour would you like? Would you like blue? Blue, okay. Here's your blue. So what do we need to do, guys? Is this an addition problem?
No.
Is it subtraction?
No.
What type of problem? Times or multiply. So what do we need to do? We need to take our capacity of one bowl. How many bowls do we have? 5. 15 litres. Excellent. So can you write that down for me? Can you write the capacity T-Y of 5 bowls? That's okay. 5 B O W L S is I S, and our answer, okay, 15L. And this time we can write liters. So L-I-T-E-R-S. So ready, guys? What is the capacity of 5 bowls? And Lakau, are you ready?
The capacity of 5 bowls is 15 liters.
Excellent. And how did we get our answer? We took the capacity of one bowl, 3 liters, and times it by how many bowls? 3 liters multiplied by 5 equals?
15 liters.
High five. Excellent. Rounds of applause for Lakau. Very well done. Let's do one more, okay? We'll do one more together. So who can think of a word problem for me? What shall the word problem be? We've used a bowl. What shall we use next? Glass. Okay. A-G-L-A-S-S. A glass has a capacity excellent of now remember glasses are quite small, so this time we'll have a capacity in ml 250 milliliters. Okay. A glass has a capacity of 250 milliliters. What is the capacity of 4 glass? And 4 of them, this time we need to have ES. And what comes at the end? So all together, guys, a glass has a capacity of 250 milliliters. What is the capacity of 4 glasses? Who would like to help me work this one out? Any volunteers? Pat, come and join me at the front. Excellent. So what do we need to do, guys? Is this addition? No. Is it subtraction? No. Is it multiplication? Yes. So what we need to do, Pat, first of all, take our capacity of 1 glass. 250 milliliters. And how many times do we need to multiply it? Times it by 4. 4, yes. What we're doing, we're multiplying. So can you write the multiply sign? Like an X. Like this. Okay. So who can work out? 4 times 0. So 0. 4 times 5. 20. So 0. And 2 on top. And then 4 times 2. 4 times 2 first. 8. Plus the 2 we carry over. So 1. 0. Okay, just draw our 1 again. And what are we talking about? What unit are we using? Milliliters. Excellent. So, what is the capacity of 4 glasses? 1,000 milliliters. And what is 1,000 milliliters? We can say 1,000 milliliters, 1 liter. So you can say 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. 1 L. So ready, guys? All together. What is the capacity of 4 glasses? The capacity of 4 glasses is 1,000 milliliters or 1 litre. Excellent. High five, Pat. Round of applause. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you need to do is print off the worksheet for the lesson and give one to each of your students. And you can see there are 3 different word problems involving capacity for them to work through and give the answers. So give your students around 15 minutes for this activity because it involves reading the problems first, working them out and writing the answers in the bottom. And monitor the class. If there's any grammar or vocabulary that your students are unaware of, you're there to help them. And what's the first thing we do, guys?
Write your name on top.
Excellent. So here we go. Nadia, you're welcome. Welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. You're welcome. So write your names on top, guys, and have a read through the problems. Anything you don't understand, any words you're not sure of, let me know. I will help. Okay? So let's have a look at the first one. A fish bowl has a capacity of 20 liters. If the bowl is already half full, how much water do you need to fill it completely? So number one, we have a fish bowl. What is the capacity of the fish bowl? 20 liters. Okay. Capacity, 20 liters, yes? The fish bowl is half full. Half full, is that right? Yes? So half full. What is half of 20? 10. So we have how many liters already? How many more liters do we need to fill? No, we have 10. 20 liters minus. So how many more liters do we need? We need 10 liters. Yes, we're halfway. 20 liters is capacity. We're at 10 liters volume. So how many more liters do we need to reach capacity? 10. 10 plus 10 equals?
20.
Excellent. So the answer for number 1, 10 more liters. We have, you see, how much water do you need to fill it up completely? So down, the capacity of our fish bowl, 20 liters, yes. How many liters do we have already? How many more liters do we need to get from 10 to 20? 10 plus 10 equals, so we need 10 more liters. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So we need 10 more. We have 10 liters already. Here to here, 10 liters. We need another 10 liters to get to 20. Okay. Not M.
Yeah.
What are we talking about? What are we using in this problem? What's our unit?
Me.
Litres.
Liter.
L.
10 liter.
10 litres, yes.
Maybe.
Perfect. Well done, Chu. 10 litres.
Me.
Okay. Number 2. If you pour 10 litres of water out of a full 150 litre container, how much water will be in the container? Okay, how much water do we have in our container? 100. How much do we pour out?
10.
We have 150 litres, but we pour out 10 litres. So 0 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 1 minus 0. So we're left with how many litres?
140.
Yes, we start with 150 litres. We pour out how many litres?
10 liters.
So 150 minus 10 leaves us with?
114 liters.
Perfect. So that's how much water we have left. A tree, can you see? A tree needs 10 litres of water per week. How much water does the tree need in 21 days? Wow. Okay, so let's think. How many litres does a tree need in 1 week?
10.
10 litres. So 1 week, 10 litres. How many days?
21.
21. Okay. How many days in 1 week?
7.
7. So how many weeks in 21 days?
3.
3. So 1 week, 10 litres. If we need 10 litres in 1 week, how many do we need for 3 weeks?
30.
Exactly, 10 litres times 3 equals? Excellent. 21 days is 3 weeks. So if we need 10 litres for 1 week, 1 week, 10 litres. How many litres for 3 weeks? 30. 10 times 3. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity and how to work through the various problems. So teacher, you can assist your students on how to arrive at the answer for each problem by doing them together on the board. And we had a good time here working out our problems, so well done guys. And that's the end of today's lesson. We hope you had a good time and found it interesting too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye bye. See you again next time. Bye bye.